In this video, I will show you how to add subtitles or captions on your videos for free, as in zero cost. Are you adding subtitles on your videos? If not, you might be missing or losing up to 40% of your video views and audience retention.
Alright, we are here on the Adobe Express web browser app, and you can see there's 3 simple instructions right here, and there are 2 things that you need to remember whenever you want to add caption to your videos. First is that your video has to be 5 minutes or shorter, and also it has to be 1 gigabytes on file size or lower. Okay? Alright, so first I will upload my video. I will actually use the video for the intro of this tutorial. Okay, there it is. So this specific video is only 20 seconds, so we're not expecting it to take a while to analyze and add caption. It's ready. And the first thing you need to do once your caption is ready is to make sure to check all the spellings, if each of the word is transcribed properly or correctly. Okay, so let's check the captions if they were transcribed correctly.
Are you adding subtitles on your videos? If not, you might be missing or losing up to 40% of your video views and also audience retention. In this video, I will show you how to add subtitles or captions on your short form videos for free, as in zero cost.
Alright, so the only thing I want to edit here is I want to add an exclamation point right here. Right there. And I thought it was odd that up to were not together. So I may want to remove it here and add it on the next slide. Right here. Right. Okay, I think that looks good. If you want to do any customization, for example, you want to change the template, you would want to do it right here, right now, and also change the colors. So it depends on your liking or your preference. You can choose different ones.
If not, you might be missing or losing up to 40% of your video views and also audience retention.
So there's that, but I really like this one, so I'll stick to it, and I like the green color because it's the color of my company or virtual desk. And so if you are okay with this as it is, you could go ahead and download it right here. Right here. Or if you want to move the caption, let's say you want to move it lower or higher on your video, then you will have to open it here in Adobe Express. And you can select the layer of the caption. You can decide if you want to put it up here, or what you can do also is to maybe move it to the side right here. So that's not something I want to do right now, so I'll just keep it in the middle, but I want to make it a little smaller. Okay, add it here. All right, and if you're okay with it, leave it as it is. Or another thing you can do is you can go here in media and add an audio. I like using this one. And for videos where you also have a voiceover, you want your volume to be 12% or lower. For this one, because it's kind of a bit, I will just do 10%. Let's try it.
Are you adding subtitles on your videos? If not, you might be missing or losing up to 40% of your video views and also audience retention.
Alright, so I like it.
Are you adding subtitles?
And now I'm ready to save it. So you have the download button up here. Download. Okay, and now let's just save it. Okay, and now let's check it. Smaller. Go. Let's check it and see if it was exported properly.
Are you adding subtitles on your videos? If not, you might be missing or losing up to 40% of your video views and also audience retention.
Alright, I'm happy with it and it's ready to be added in this tutorial.
I hope you find this video very helpful, and if you do, please like and subscribe and also share this to your colleagues, because I will be sharing more skills, tools, and tips for online marketers, virtual assistants, project managers, and even small business owners. My name is Kristen Flores, your project manager, and see you in my next video. Bye.